Well, yesterday I talked about last night's sunset a whole lot because I had faith it would be spectacular. Tim Pham has an amazing picture of that sunset over on his Twitter, so if you want to see it, go check it out. This one comes to us from Valerie Lowe Fink, and she found the wolf moon at sunset. And look at these clouds just illuminated from that setting sun while that full moon rises. Oh, beautiful. As we head through the day today, probably not going to get an amazing sunset, but this weekend we could see another following the rain and snow that we get on Thursday. We do have some of that patchy fog, not quite in downtown just yet, but clouds taking us into the day with some moisture kind of trending to our south here in Spokane. Still have those freezing fog advisories over along Interstate 90 and 82, basically at that junction down to the south into Oregon. That's going to last a bit longer. In Airway Heights, starting to see visibility drop down to about a half a mile. That's the same for Moses Lake along Interstate 90. And then as you head up and over Snoqualmie or up and over Lookout, you're encountering some of that as well. Temperatures down below freezing this morning. Basically, we're doing what we've done every single day again. Right now, we've got our ridge kind of sliding to the south, and as it does so, we're going to start to get a little bit of moisture squeezed out. Look at this. It's starting to enhance here in just, say, the past hour. Getting a little more of that activity and starting to see some of these scattered showers pop up here in the Palouse. But notice it's basically staying to our south. We're going to try to squeeze out a little something here in Spokane. And forecast models tend to be a little overzealous on this one. I think we're finally getting a decent run here that says, yeah, bulk of this moisture stays out of Spokane and Coeur d'Alene and really down to our south in the Palouse and the southern Idaho panhandle. Some of that falls on Lookout Pass, but for the most part, it's to our south and stays that way through much of the day, which if you want to see sunshine tomorrow is actually a good thing because then we can burn off some of that fog a lot quicker and you have a better shot at seeing it. Let's get to why though, because as we get into Wednesday, things do start to change. So for now, it's temps in the mid to upper 30s here across the inland northwest. You head up in the mountain passes, it's rain in Snoqualmie, snow in Stevens, Sherman looking at the chance of snow. Look out in 4th of July, it's kind of a chance of snow as we head through the day today. I think the Silver Valley is about as far north as some of this moisture makes it. And then we start drying out. So today's moisture. Then as we get into the day on Wednesday, we build in this beautiful ridge, and that's going to bring us sinking, could bring us more fog, but what we do is we burn it off and we see a little sun before our next shot of moisture returns as we head into Thursday morning. In early Thursday morning, we could see a little bit of flurry action. That would be pre-dawn or Wednesday night. But then by Thursday afternoon, it's all rain as temperatures soar to near 40 degrees.